Alright baby boys, I don't know where I'm going with this video, but just hear me out. So you clicked on this video to learn about uniqueness on YouTube, and I'm putting heavy emphasis on quotation marks right now because uniqueness doesn't really exist on YouTube. It means be one of a kind, and with 183 hours of footage uploaded to YouTube every minute, unless you drove the special bus to school, you're not special, I'm sorry to break it to you. But it's not so doom and gloom because there is a way to make yourself not unique, but different. Here, picture this, we have Bimbo. He's a Minecraft YouTuber with around 20 subscribers. He listens to all the YouTube advice and makes beautiful thumbnails. He tries to make his videos as addictive as methamphetamine, but he follows the tricks and editing styles that the top people in his niche do. So he's just some knockoff, you know? He never grows, he's just like a plant in hot soil. I'm pretty sure plants in hot soil don't grow. So let's add a little bit of water and ice to that soil and cool it down so he can finally grow into his very own plant. So phase 1, this is the parasite. This sounds like what it is. So we got Bimbo here. Let's just say he does hard cuts, so no transitions, time lapse of his builds, and basic commentary. Now let's turn Bimbo into a parasite. So the first thing we're going to need to do to this beautiful Bimbo is we're going to need to help him absorb some video effects. So let's sprinkle some transitions and subtitles into his style, and boom, now it's just a little bit harder to be like Bimbo. I mean, it's not even that hard, but it's a little bit harder. So the thing you gotta take away from this is just to go to YouTubers in your favorite niche and take things away from them. And do it better, because everybody who watches my videos is better. So this is now, we're on to phase 2, the symbiotic relationship. So Bimbo is going to want to take his previous knowledge and mix it with the stuff he absorbed. What I mean is he's going to want to stylize this into one congruent mix. So when somebody pours salt on Bimbo the parasite, he's not going to be some rainbow color. He's going to be some nice, beautiful, congruent mix. I mean, it's probably going to be brown, but what this means for you is just perfect all the things and make it match into one style. Don't have like mix and match stuff, because that's just going to seem like you're an NPC, and we don't want you to be an NPC. So just perfect everything you have, and then you get to move on to phase 3, the perfect organism. So we're on to the final phase of the cycle. And this is actually not even a phase, this is just like a check mark. So once you've done phase 3, move back to phase 1. And a thing to keep in note is focus on perfection. Now we're back on phase 1, just do everything all over again. And that's basically it, guys. I don't know what this video was, but please say rock in the comments, because we love hard things.